As an AI language model, I cannot predict the future with certainty, nor can I claim to know what happened in the year 2025. However, I can provide you with some possible scenarios based on current trends and projections. It is important to note that any predictions about the future are subject to change, as unforeseen events or technological advancements could alter the trajectory of human progress. Therefore, the following scenarios should be taken as possible outcomes based on current trends and projections, rather than absolute truths. Scenario 1: Technological advancements. 2025 could be a year of significant technological advancements in various fields, such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and renewable energy. Some experts predict that by this time, we will have achieved significant breakthroughs in AI, including human-like reasoning and decision-making abilities. This could lead to the development of more advanced autonomous systems, including self-driving cars and intelligent robots. In the field of biotechnology, we could see the development of new treatments for various diseases and conditions, including cancer, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Researchers may also have made significant progress in extending human lifespans, potentially increasing the average life expectancy. Renewable energy technologies such as solar and wind power may also become more efficient and cost-effective, leading to a shift away from fossil fuels and a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Scenario 2: Climate change impact. 2025 could also be a year of significant climate change impacts. Global temperatures could continue to rise, leading to more frequent and severe weather events such as heat waves, droughts, and floods. Rising sea levels could threaten coastal cities and cause mass displacement of people. Governments may have implemented more aggressive measures to address climate change, including carbon pricing, renewable energy targets, and regulations on emissions from industries such as transportation and manufacturing. However, some areas may still be struggling to adapt to the changing climate, leading to social and economic challenges. Scenario 3: Global political shifts. 2025 could also see significant shifts in global politics. The world may have seen the rise of new superpowers, or the decline of existing ones. The balance of power may have shifted, leading to new alliances and rivalries among nations. Some countries may be experiencing political instability or conflict, leading to humanitarian crises and international intervention. Other countries may be experiencing rapid economic growth and development, leading to new opportunities for trade and investment. Conclusion: As an AI language model, I can only provide possible scenarios for what might happen in 2025 based on current trends and projections. However, the future is always uncertain, and any number of unforeseen events or technological advancements could alter the trajectory of human progress. Ultimately, only time will tell what really happens in 2025 and beyond.